auto versus manual or both. We do both. Auto/broad, this is going to be more of a discovery strategy. And when it comes down to manual, we like to do manual exact, and this is going to be for control and scale. Now, when it comes down to manual, we also like to do phrase match because that's something that we're seeing performing better. Broad match can also perform well if you have modified broad, so you have only the root keyword and you have lots of negatives in that campaign, things that you for sure don't want to show up for. I just gave the example. We were selling a product that it was a green drink and came up for green sweater, which is not our product, right? Now, really important, we would be making sure that for auto budgets, we are going to keep them small because we are mining keywords. They're not floods, right? So if it comes down to campaign creation, say we're creating 5 campaigns, out of which the auto should have the $20 budget, the exact match maybe the $50 budget in this case, if we know that is the exact keyword that we want to rank for. What we would do also weekly, we would promote winners, so from auto to exact or even broad, modified, and we would be negating losing terms in auto. Something else that's really important here, if your auto ACoS is very high, but feeding exact winners, we would be judging the system, not one campaign. That's why it's really important that sometimes in auto, exact matches are going to just show up and it's not going to perform that well. In exact match are going to perform better. Really, it's just you're testing it, right? If, rule of thumb, if in an auto campaign, a match that you would like to have exact, it's performing well, never pause it in that campaign because it's going to be really helpful for you to get those sales even if it's not an exact campaign.